Okay, so we're going to punch through a very quick video on how to sign up and to download Autodesk Fusion 360. So first thing we're going to do is head across to the internet, open up a web browser, type in the search bar and go www.autodesk.com and then press enter. Once you're on their home page, then scroll all the way to the bottom. So ignore that Fusion icon there, just keep scrolling all the way to the bottom till you get to the menus, and then you can see something here that says students and educators. Click on that and it'll take you to the education homepage, or if you want to jump straight to that page, you can, there is a link in the OneNote if you're watching it from there. So you can see that we've got the students tab there. We are going to go down to where it says Autodesk for Students Getting Started, and you're going to go select product. It'll pop up this screen here with all the products that you can download as a student. We're focusing on Fusion today, but once you get your account set up, you could download any of these programs here for free with student access. So click on Fusion. It'll come up with this window. Click on student, continue, and you'll be brought to this screen here. This is where we start putting our details of our school, etc. So email address in here, make sure you put your link address, which is the one that's on your desktop when you see that. So it should look like something like john.smith, and there'll be a number 123 at schools.sa.edu.au, and then what you want to do is repeat that in the confirmed email address, and it probably won't let you do that, so then we'll do john.smith123 now we'll see how far we go with this email match. You agree to that, hit continue. Now it may or may not work because I literally just made that email address up. So far it looks okay. So first name would then be John, last name would be Smith. Your role, make sure that you select that you are a student. Date of birth, and don't forget that it is month, days and years. So let's go something like on the 1st, and it's going to be the 25th, and in 2001. Whoop. There we go, something like that. Hit continue again. It asks for our school address, so we are in Australia, so find Australia. School's address is 63 can type Malbec, MALB, Malbec Drive, Ranella East, SA, and once you find that address, you should be able to click on that and populate that. Institution type is high school, secondary. Name of the school is Ranella East College, and once you start typing it, you can see it automatically comes up. Website is www.ranellaec.sa.edu.au. Click on that again and hit continue, and let's see whether this actually works. Okay, so we need to basically confirm our eligibility to say that we are a student. This is where you'll need your student ID card, need to scan that on the scanner, so you get like a digital version of that, that we're going to upload that. I'm going to hit continue here, and I'm just going to jump out of that because I can't log in with an email address because I literally just made all that up, so it's not going to work. So if you cancel that window and just do what we just did then, it'll ask us to upload our documentation. So full legal name, it must be like John Smith. Yours will obviously come up with whatever it is. But we can have these following documents here to prove that we're a student. So school transcript, something with the school, your name, the school name and the date, a letter, or our student ID. We're going to use that. So you need to scan that as a digital version and then upload that in here, and then hit continue. And that's pretty much the process of that. Once we've been verified for that, and then there'll be an email come to your inbox, then you can go ahead and download it. So for the first part of getting set up and organized, that is the process that you need to go to the website and then follow those links basically down until you get to there. Good luck with that, and let's see how you go.